Are you ready for an adventure on the farm?
Yeah!
We are going to see so many animals today. See if you can keep track of them all.
Yay!
Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O.
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Can you find the chickens hiding in the pumpkin patch? Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O.
With a buck buck here and a buck buck there. Here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck buck. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Can you find the sheep hiding in the apple orchard? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O.
With a bad bat here and a bad bat there. Here a bat, there a bat, everywhere a bat bat. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Can you find the pigs hiding in the cornfield? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Can you find the cows hiding in the sunflowers? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
You found all the farm animals, great job. But I wonder where Luna went.
Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now Sonny's missing. Where could he be?
Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With an arf arf here and an arf arf there. Here an arf, there an arf, everywhere an arf arf. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hot apple pie, fresh from the oven.